Are you hesitant to invest in multifamily real estate or worried about the potential risks and pitfalls of investing in multifamily real estate? I definitely understand those same concerns, and I want to help you navigate the world of passive real estate investing. You know, one of the most common fears that people have, our investors have, is owning and managing large multifamily properties. And another concern is the potential for market volatility with those properties. But my friends, we cannot let our fears get in the way of our financial futures. We have to weaponize ourselves with information and then connect with those people who can help. And good news, we can help. Here at MFCP, we have control over 400 million in assets across the nation. And we've been able to change the lives of hundreds and hundreds of investors by teaming up with and investing in multifamily real estate together. That's right, I understand the risk because, man, we invest our money in every single deal alongside our investors. So we have this network that provides us the best investment opportunities that not only provide stable cash flow and long-term appreciation, but provide a hedge against market fluctuations with those properties. But investing isn't just about finding the best deal, okay? It's about our mindset and how we choose to recognize the opportunity. So let's be honest, sometimes we can get our own way, but when you set an intention that's bigger than yourself, you're no longer the obstacle. So it's time to think bigger and live better. So click the link below, learn more about our investment strategy, and start building your multifamily investment portfolio with confidence today, my friends.